Hi, and welcome to this video on understanding Turnitin's Enhanced Similarity Report for students. In this video, we'll discuss how the Turnitin Similarity Report can help you with your writing, how to interpret it, and what resources are available to help. Meet Amy. Amy is a first-year student, getting ready to submit her first assignment of the year. Amy learns that her instructor will be using the Turnitin Similarity Report to help provide feedback on her work. Amy has never used the Similarity Report before and is a bit nervous about it. She decides to find out more about the Similarity Report and how she can leverage the feedback it provides to help improve her writing. Amy speaks with her instructor and looks into some extra resources provided by her instructor to help her understand the Similarity Report. Amy learns that the Similarity Report is a tool that shows how similar her work is to other pieces of writing, highlighting any areas in her work that match outside sources. This is called text similarity. She learns that, using the information in the Similarity Report about the degree of text similarity, her instructor will decide if the matches are appropriate or not. This will also depend on the acceptable thresholds of text similarity set by Amy's school. Amy learns more about plagiarism and how this differs from text similarity. This is namely that plagiarism is when someone uses the ideas or words of someone else and presents them as their own, or does not give proper credit to the author. Text similarity, on the other hand, is when the ideas or words of someone else are simply present in one's work, even when they are quoted or cited properly. Amy reads further about how to properly quote, paraphrase, and summarize ideas in her work, and learns that she should always include a citation. To learn how to do this, she uses the style guide suggested by her instructor. Amy also learns that citations are important not only to avoid plagiarism and give credit to the original author, but also because using citations helps place her work within an academic context and helps support her arguments. So using citations will actually make her work stronger. She notes that she needs to ensure that there is an appropriate balance between her own words and the ideas of others in her assignment. This will depend on the type of assignment. For example, a creative writing assignment would be expected to have little or no text similarity, whereas an academic essay with references and citations should have more. Feeling more confident, Amy begins work on her assignment, submits it, and reviews the Similarity Report available to her after submission. To access the Similarity Report, you should log into your institution's Turnitin solution. For Amy, this is Feedback Studio. She clicks into the relevant class and is then able to open her submission. The first thing she notices is the number in the right-hand panel. This is Amy's similarity score, meaning the total percentage of the paper which is similar to other sources. Amy knows that there is no fixed correct similarity score, but considers that this score is low enough that the majority of the paper comes from her original thoughts, while still reflecting that she has supported her ideas with source-based evidence. Below the similarity score, Amy can see a tab labelled Match Groups. Amy sees that this provides a useful summary of any sources that have not been cited or quoted, missing quotation marks, and missing citations, as well as showing what percentage of the paper's similarity has been correctly cited and quoted. She makes a note of the errors she sees here to fix later. Amy clicks on the next tab, labelled Sources. Here, Amy can see a list of all the sources matched to her assignment. Amy checks these. While her matched content is low, she does notice a section that is highlighted to match another source. She decides to work on that section later to make sure she is summarizing the text using her own words. Finally, Amy clicks on the Filters button. She notices that this allows her to adjust her similarity score by excluding citations, quotes, bibliographic information, or small matches. She notes that she could use this feature to help her identify any problems in her writing, for example, any areas of unexpected text similarity. Amy is pleased with the feedback the Similarity Report provides her on her use of sources in her writing. She decides she'll make use of any opportunities to revise her writing based on her Similarity Report. As her instructor can also access the Similarity Report, Amy knows she can discuss any issues in the report with her instructor. If, like Amy, you want to improve your understanding of the Similarity Report and related topics, Turnitin has a number of resources for you. Read our guide on the Similarity Report, containing full explanations of its features and guidance on what to do with the information in your Similarity Report. Also, check out our video on text similarity for students, which expands on many of the topics in this video. For links to these and other resources, see the video description.